Welcome back to another episode, guys. This episode we're going to be installing the rod bearings, the main bearings, and installing the whole bottom rotating assembly. And that's what we're doing today. Don't know why I get so tongue-tied all the time. So, once again, we're just going to jump straight into it, and let's get this engine flipped over. Let's get the main studs in, and we'll mosey on from there. So let's flip it over. Let's grab a lint-free rag. Just make sure everything's cleaned off. Clean and dry, no oily residue. So we got a rag and some brake cleaner. Some brake cleaner on there. See, look at all that oil. Keep doing that. All of them, because you can't have any oil there, because that's how you spin a bearing. Okay, so now we're gonna get the bearings set in.
Are you videoing it?
Yeah. Right? So these are the King race bearings, and as you see, some of them have holes, and the other ones don't. The ones that don't are for the cradle. The ones that do are for the block. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna start with the block. So we'll start with the main thrust bearing. Give it a good wipe down. Get all the manufacturing oils off. Figure out which way she sits in there. Press her in so she's flush on each side. Okay, so now we're gonna get to putting in all the main bolts. They all need to be lubed, and you'll notice 3 of them are longer than the rest of them. Those 3 are marked up on the block. Here, here, and here. Now they do need to be lubed before they go in. So I'll demonstrate it here in a second. I just need to get set up for that. Start putting these studs in. And start by using some of the supplied lube. Stick it on the threads here. Grab another one. And simply just twist them together. So we get these all lubed up. And put them in all the way down, finger tight. And you put the lube on for proper torque spec. If it's not properly lubed and you have any dirt inside the threads, it's going to change the torque reading and you're not going to have accurate torque. So always pay attention to that. Now we're just gonna time lapse and do the rest.
Then pass the knife to K. Kurt. Is the pig dead? Stab him in the head to make sure. No justice, no peace. I bust the chrome piece. Your brain's on the dash. Now you slumped in your seat. Protect yourself from the government. Nigga underlay. They shooting up elementary schools to take our guns away. I'm in the house strapped, waiting for the judgment day. Cause they ain't finna torture me at Guantanamo fucking Bay.
Passion outlasts the decap. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant. That's what we become. That's what we become. Yo, 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 wonder what's a sucking dumb.
I don't know if the shit's focusing. Looks alright. So now what we're gonna do is get ready to lower the crank into place. So we're gonna lube up all our bearings on both the cradle and the block. So let's get some oil on there.
No, up.
Once again, you can be generous. So now we're going to take the crank, lower it into its spot in the block. Rotate it a little, get some oil flowing. And drop the cradle on. Sure.
Okay.
Kind of tap it down. And then drop all your washers on. Don't do like me and drop 2 on each one, because you're just gonna look like an idiot. And then get all these just fingered on a little. You'll feel that lube. Now let's just run them down for now, because I can't get a socket tonight. And we're gonna go ahead and install the rods, and we'll go get a proper socket tomorrow for it. So just center out, time lapse from there. Now if you notice, I keep my hand on the head of the ratchet, and that is for a very specific reason. That is to minimize torque. So now, spin it, make sure she spins nice. She spins wonderfully. So now let's get ready to start dropping pistons in. So first thing we do is pistons number 1 and 4. Pull the pin. Rotate the engine. Now, let's get ready. We're putting pistons in. Notice the tangs are on the same side. Pay attention to that. So they're marched forward.
Like time traveling right there.
Yeah, time traveling. From there, it's like nighttime, right?
Lower that in.
So I'm hoping like if I just don't sleep, like pretty much, I'm gonna try and not like just kind of sleep deprive myself a little bit, so that when I get on the flight from back to Taipei, I just pass the fucking evening. I leave Vancouver at like almost midnight. So it'll be like bedtime essentially for us.
Yeah.
So when I land in Taipei, it's 13 hours.
Now just tap it down.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning. So it kind of works out. You know what I mean? If I sleep 8 hours, if I sleep 8 hours, and then we got like a couple hours of still chill on the plane, and then I get there and it's like I'm gonna be like definitely jet lagged for sure, but it's morning time then.
Yeah. Kind of make it through that day, get your hotel, and just crash.
And then crash the moment it's nighttime. And that's what I've heard too, is like as long as you fall asleep when it's like time to fall asleep there, you can usually like fix the jet lag pretty fast.
As long as you just get a couple hours sleep on that long flight.
Yeah. My mom kind of like more or less convinced me to, because I was really like on the fence about doing it. Well, not even that. She just
Now we'll do the back
She
one.
went to Machu Picchu for 2 weeks all by herself.
Can I run this race? It's playtime. I'm gonna crush your face. This is not a fucking phase. Hey guys, I know you feel that bass. Roll with that until you see my face. Rising from a thick layer of fog at midnight. There's a time and a place to kill it. Leak documentary flaming tongue. Rappers acting so saintly, but not long ago you were breaking cuz. And now they catch the Aurora. But the kid is baking up. Had a little secret ingredient, they're needing something for waking up. My focus keeps spinning on the black king of spades among smaller cards, and that's free. You hear us mad heat, I am the daddy. The tones of the flashiest chic. As I grow up in a robust prison, everything I see is already given. For some reason, I am hardly living.
I'm gonna close up this gap right here.
Can't tell the difference between hot and cold. My senses are dimmed and I'm sold. But as the credits start to roll, I wake up and I miss the movie. The people around me are swarming like they just saw something that's dooming. Now they're telling me that I miss a lot and I gotta go back and see it. Yeah, everyone who was watching came at that bitch with a crooked demeanor. These subtleties and half-truths are running my country at large. Shipping this garbage by every ocean. I'm about to sink the barge. Health, war, famine, and money. Get rid of those and we have no country. What happened to thinking people love me? These relationships feel so ugly. It's like we're speaking on the surface, but something sounds scripted about all the verbiage. Like
So we'll leave it there, closed up for now.
To act as a service to only a few human perspectives. Now we got humanity's section by politics, culture, religion, perspective. None of us have accurate depth perception. It's been messed with and I feel headless. No wonder I'm trying to convert that dude in the uniform.
Okay, so I was filming this cylinder too, but the issue was that the battery was dying, so I had to replace that, so I missed that.
I'm isolated everywhere like presto. I don't really know how to keep a friend. Something that they don't get though. And that sparks my Roscoe. Now I'm fucking with all your heads, yo. We just go rooftop and I'm bent low. Between heaven and ghetto. It appears that I'm on top now. Figured out there's layers to the shit. Applied to the cycle that I can keep riding vibrant. Fineness when I pipe these hits. And I like this shit. Because this energy. Anyone who comes this way looking for trouble is immediately gonna be sent to me.
So just knock it in. This battery's about to die too. I don't have any more batteries. So this is where we'll wrap it up. I'm gonna bolt down the last two. And we'll catch up on the rest of the video tomorrow when we put the head on. I'm gonna charge